Hi, and welcome to another how-to video for the Optimal Cloud. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up a third-party TOTP application. You might ask, what is TOTP? Well, TOTP stands for Time-Based One-Time Password. There are many third-party applications that support TOTP, for example, Microsoft's Authenticator App, also the Google Authenticator App, and the Optimal Authenticator App. Although you can use the Optimal Authenticator App or TOTP as well as push, you can also use the third-party application. Once the app or device is registered with the Optimal Cloud, TOTP will be available as an authentication option into the Optimal Cloud. Okay, let's get to it. Okay. To set up a TOTP device, first you have to download one of those third-party applications I talked about, so the Microsoft Authenticator app or the Google Authenticator app, and install it on your phone. Once you have that set up, you can log into the Optimal Cloud, go to Account Settings, click on Multi-Factor Token Device Options, and on this screen you would see all the MFA options that you have defined. I don't have any, so I'm going to set up one. So I'm going to click Add Token Device. I'm going to just do time-based one-time passcode, which is TOTP. Here the note tells you about the different authenticator apps you can use. Once again, TOTP is a standard. So I'm going to click Next. Now I have to name the device. I'm going to call it my phone. And now it displays a QR code. At this point, you go to the app on your phone, open it up, and scan the QR code. After you scan the QR code, just click Return to Device Token Management. You'll see your device there. You can do Test MFA to verify that the registration worked. In this case, I'm going to use TOTP on my phone, and the value I see on my phone is 705549. I click Verify, and it verifies successfully. Now, whenever I am forced to perform additional authentication, TOTP will be an option for me. Well, thanks for taking the time to watch the video today, and be sure to check out other how-to videos for the Optimal Cloud. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to us at sales@optimalidm.com or at support@optimalidm.com. Thanks, and have a great day.